back. This time I have a Rubik's Cube that I made. I just made it today. Here it is. See that? It works. Let's see if I can show you. It's gonna be like my little camera stand. So it's like this. And that's the Rubik's Cube. And I'm gonna hold it. Oops. Okay. So, the Rubik's Cube, white part, blue, green, put red on the bottom. See that? I didn't put the orange and yellow yet. I'm gonna put that on today. But I just glued those on. And here, I'll show you that it works. So, look at that. See that? There's a white and red. Now it's going to be white, white. And let's see if I can show you that better. You see that turning right there? I can turn that. Works at all because I just connected it with like dental floss. It's not the strongest, but it's pretty good. This is a nice little cube. And this, the reason why I made this, because I didn't want to buy a 2x2, because I have a 3x3. So I decided to make a 2x2, and this. It turns, and it actually works. That is awesome. So, thanks for watching. Sure to like, subscribe, comment, and bye.